Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what the internet says, what people says about Melia Llana. So let's do a search here in Google. So I search Melia Llana, like if like a customer. And I've got here, I could click here, but I'm not gonna do that because it's an ad and I don't want them to pay for my click. So I'm gonna go here. Melia Llana, this is for the Melia hotels to show you. So this is the Melia website, okay, and this is the hotel, and this is where you could own an apartment or a fraction of an apartment. It just looks amazing. I just feel like going into that pool right now. If you scroll down, then you will see you got here different tabs. And you got the hotel, so you got the description of the hotel if you want to know more about it, and then let's scroll down a little bit. So these are examples of photographs of the hotel, and then the rooms and suites that they have. So these are the rooms that you could actually own if you decide to invest with us, so with me, okay. And like I was saying before, if you decide and buy half of any room or the full room, if you buy half, then you will have 3 weeks free of usage in this hotel. And if you buy the full suite or room, depends of what's available and what you want, then you will have 5 weeks free of usage here, which is amazing. It's for you and your family. And just remember that the flight and food and drinks is not included. Is the actual the hotel, but it's got lots of amenities, and as you see, it's quite amazing. So let's go and have a look at Melia Llana, the reviews. So let's see what people say about this hotel. Okay, so I just Google Melia Llana reviews, and I'm gonna go to TripAdvisor, and I click here. And you see it's got 1,181 reviews, and it's got 4.5 stars out of 5. So that means that the reviews, what people say about this hotel, is very, very good. Okay, so look, excellent. 67% of people think that's it's an excellent hotel. Okay, and then it drops to 24 that they say they think that is very good. So you can go through, the reviews and see what people say. All right, and let's do the same thing with Melia Dunas. So I'm just gonna Google Melia Dunas. Okay, and let's go to Melia Hotel, the website. So it's gonna give you a lovely picture of Melia Dunas. Okay, 5-star resort. You scroll down, and again, it's gonna give you information about the hotel, and then the rooms and suites that you could own. So let's scroll down so you can see them. Okay, and it works the same way. If you purchase half or the full property, then you have 3 weeks free of usage, or 5 weeks free of usage for you and your family in this hotel. Okay, and I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit, to the hotel to show you some of the photos. You can do this in your own time. I just wanted to show you that these hotels are for real, and they're very good. They're quite amazing. I could go there anytime. Okay, and let's do the same thing with Melia Dunas to see what people say the reviews. So I'm just gonna Google the reviews. All right, and there you are. I'm just gonna click here, and you see it's got 5,195 reviews, and it's got 4 stars out of 5. Okay, so here it says 47% of people think they're excellent, 31% that are very good, and then it drops down, okay, to 14, 5, and 3. Okay, so here is just to show you basically that, you know, they're really good hotels, luxury, beautiful, and you know, a really good way where you can, you know, invest your money and get some returns. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to wish you a lovely day, and if you need to contact me, yes, it's in Laura Martinez Properties.co.uk, Laura Martinez Properties.co.uk, and there you can contact me directly. Okay, you got the button here for contact us. That's me. So anyway, have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.